Yeah, hi guys. This is Arvind Singh from arvindnation.com and very good afternoon to all of you. I hope you all guys are doing good in this COVID situation and you must be taking a very good care of yourself and your family. So, today I am just going to share with you a small presentation made on wellness industries. So, let's switch on to the presentation part. Let me quickly switch on to the website to the presentation. Let me just fix the camera so that it does not distract you. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. The presentation is loading. Yeah, now. I hope my voice is clear to you all. Okay, done. Fine. Thank you. Okay. So, guys, I have made 13 slides on wellness industries. I studied this industries and I made a presentation and I thought like saying sharing with publicly so that people who are very well, who are very concerned about their health and our their well-being, they can refer this presentation, and so that it could bring a good awareness and a improvement in their life. So let's start. Firstly, we will be covering uh, and would like to know about the overview of the wellness industries. We will be just knowing what is wellness industry. So let us first understand about wellness. Wellness is an active process of making choices towards a healthy and a fulfilling life. It is about carrying a comprehensive, holistic approach towards your body and soul. It would be tagged at acronym for self-care. Wellness is not about looking good, but rather feeling good from inside. And this aspect is not covered by health insurance policy or any organization that claim to stand by person to encourage their health naturally. It can be taken care in following manners: by doing exercises, staying fit, eating healthy, losing weight if you are overweight, balancing between personal and professional career, by maintaining a self discipline of sleeping and getting early from bed, and by addition of nutrition in your daily chart. Just a minute, this camera is disturbing. Let's move on to the next slide. So talk more about the wellness part. First, let us understand how big this industry is. So if we talk about globally, global wellness industry is about 4.5 million, 4.5 billion, pardon, trillion USD by as per data at 2008, and by now I am very sure it has grown very exponentially, and it is growing at a rate of 3.6% annually as per IMF data. Wellness industry represent 5.3% of our global economic output. As per WHO data, the wellness industry expenditure is about 4.5 trillion USD, which is just half of total global health expenditure, which is about 7.8 trillion USD. What is the current situation? Let us understand quickly the scenario of this wellness industry. So, as we understanding and awareness of the health and fitness has drawn attention of the people towards wellness these days, and as a result, youth and middle-aged people are now proactively taking measures to maintain a healthier lifestyle to prevent any lifestyle-related issues. So, from this point, it is now clear that people nowadays are now very much conscious and aware of keeping their health and their fitness right. So they are very much proactive and ready to do change in their lifestyle so that they can keep their health good and fit. So practices such as instilling fast food in diet, lack of adequate exercise, sedentary lifestyle, and heightened air pollution resulted in falling prey to lifestyle-related elements, including diabetes, cardiovascular, chronic kidney, and respiratory disease. Since last few years, there has been a paradigm shift in the way people preserve their health and maintain it. Witnessing the dire need of people, wellness industries have proven measures to protect from sickness and hazards. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute. Sorry. So, benefits of being associated with wellness industry. If you are getting associated with the wellness industries, how you are going to be benefited? This slide is all about. So, once you are associated with wellness industries, these are how you will be benefited. So there is if you are associating yourself with the in this industries, there is no risk of business ownership. It takes negligible startup cost, plan, and expend. So, guys, from this point, I want to tell you that it hardly cost you anything to get associated with industries. It you can say it is negligible, almost negligible to start with. So there will be an extra income. You can set your financial goal and financial business plan and speed as per your speed and as per your convenience. There will be a flexibility how you choose when, how much you want to work, and the payment will be as per your effort. The greater your effort, the greater your earning. Training and mentorship. You will get free training, education, mentoring by experienced leaders. And I think this area is according to me it's a gift from of this wellness industries to get a training on education and to get the mentoring. Basically we get to pay for those to the mentors, to the trainings, to the education, but over here we are getting free of cost. You are going to have a passive income. You are There will be a enhanced employment generation for others who are not who are being employed these days in this COVID situation. So especially for those who have lost their job, this industries could be one of the best opportunity. there is a possibility that women are get the more empowerment. So women are also getting the level playground to showcase their talent and show to the world that women are no less than the men. So this wellness industries is also initiating a social responsibility by giving a this world class opportunity to get a handsome payment to achieve one goal and dream and to build a stream of passive income and whatever one dreams in for life. So this industries is not giving to the society but also giving to the government at large by generating a huge tax out of the business they do. So in this slide I have covered about the market side of this wellness industries not only in India but in abroad as well. So China is leading in this industries with number one position with the business of 35.73 billion USD approx, which is capturing almost 20% of the market size worldwide. USA is at second position with the business of 35.30 billion USD. Korea is leading at number third position with the business of 18.40 billion USD. Germany at fourth position with business of 17.52 billion USD. Japan is at fifth position with a business of almost 15 billion USD, 15.60, and India is at number 19 position with the business of 1.5 billion USD. So guys, our India is still at has long way to go. It is at 19th position. The reason being is that India is still not aware of the scope and the opportunity there in wellness industry. The industries is so huge and so great that above these developed nations have done is doing well, and the people there are looking it at a good opportunity and as a full-time business or job, whatever you say. But in India, still people are doing or are being associated as a part time or as a secondary job, not as a full or a secondary business. So, this is the reason why India is lagging behind far from these developed nations and is still lying at 90 number position. So, you must be thinking that how this must be working. Is it same as that of our traditional business or is something different? So to tell you, this business is basically working on the direct selling methodology. Now what is direct selling methodology? The definition varies across country to country. It can be understood in the manner that selling of goods and services. Direct selling methodology is all about selling of goods and services to the consumer away from a fixed retail outlet, generally in their homes, directly to their homes, through explanation and demonstration of products by the direct sellers, that is the business owner or the distribution of the wellness company. Okay, so to brief you about that, who are the business owner or the distributor of the company? Business owner and the distributor of the company are the person, the people like you and me who are showing interest to work with this industries. So we are the representative of the industry and we are called a business owner, a franchisee, or a distributor of the company. What we do, what our work really is, we demonstrate and about the product directly to the consumer, to the user. In process, we are eliminating the middlemen, the middle agents, which happens to be in the traditional business. There happens to be a national distributor, there happens to be a state distributor, there happens to be a a retailer, there happens to be a stockist, there happens to be a CNF. So all these middlemen, middle agents are being removed in this model of business. So we are sharing all the discounts, all the profits directly to our to the business owner, to the distributor, who are just connecting to the user directly and explaining to them the benefits and the reason they should be associated with the industry. So this slide is all about the brands which are present in this industry. So at number one position, if I talk about, there is a company called Forever Living Products with a business of approx 13.6 billion USD. Amway is at second number position with 8.8 billion USD. Market America with 7.3 billion USD, Avon with 5.5 billion USD, Herbalife 4.9 billion USD, New Skin 4.6 billion USD, Tupperware 2 billion USD, Oriflame Cosmetics 1.5 billion USD, Vestige Marketing 195 million USD, Shop.com 840 million USD. So there are other brands which I have not added in this slide. There's a lots and lots of brands, but these are the most reputed and the most renowned names in the industries when it comes to wellness. So these are the three websites which I will like to recommend you guys if you are getting interest about the wellness and would like to know better that how you can keep yourself well, what are the foods you should eat, what should be your lifestyle, what should be your daily habits, so as to you so that you remain well in your life. Well and good, my fitness pal, and very well health. These are the good website which I found. Now, the wellness role in our day to day. How what role does it play in our day to day life? So, if we are having a healthy lifestyle, it will help us to live happy and longer life. It helps us to protect ourselves from any sickness, hazards, and lifestyle related elements, that is obesity, diabetes, cardiovascular, any chronic kidney and respiratory disease. It has a solution of almost every segment of our daily life, that is male grooming, products, vitamins and supplements, weight management, skin care, sports and nutrition. What are the scopes in the future? So you must be wondering that, okay, the industries is very huge. There is a lots of potential in the industry. It is all about wellness, so people can listen to you, can use your product. So if I talk about the future, down the line, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years, as per the survey conducted in 2015-16, the total market size of this industry was 167 billion USD. But as per survey, it is going to touch 645 billion USD by 2025. There will be a further boost in this industries with inclusion of Digital India, Skill India, Make in India policy being introduced by the government. So this inclusion, this boost by the government is going to further boost this industry as well. The country has observed significant transformation in lifestyle of the citizen as a result. Customized healthcare services, holistic fitness, routine, wellness, and safety. Government are now allowing international brand to the country to encourage. Sorry. To encourage healthy lifestyle, fitter and comprehensive approach towards oneself. So, guys, since these 13 slides is not that sufficient to tell you every minute details about wellness industries, I will recommend you guys to go to that those three websites and read and understand why wellness industry is booming and will further boom, and why there is a scope. What are the scopes, what are the futures which are in this industries, which is not in our traditional business or in the day-to-day job, 9 to 5 job we are doing. I personally feel that this industry is a great industry, and believe me, whatever goals, whatever dream you people must be having in your life, you are going to achieve that in a very short span of time, provided you take it seriously, provided you consider it as a your full-time job or business. For such presentations, for such blogs, informative blogs or articles, you can also refer my website, that is arvindnation.com, https arvindnation.com. So thank you guys. I hope you got pretty good knowledge about wellness and the wellness industry. So thank you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.